Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to remove the image from the background in Filmora. If you have added an unwanted image to your background which does not add any value to your video, this video is for you. So in order to remove the image background, open the Filmora app on your mobile device. Then select the video from where you want to remove the background from. As you can see, I have added an unwanted background and want to remove it. For that, you need to swipe the options until you see an option called background, then tap on it. And from here, you can see the background that I have selected. Simply go ahead and select any other background or go and select the color white. This is the default background, and now you guys know how to remove image background in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you to help with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.